Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. I promised you I'd come on and perform a Disney concert for you guys, so here we are. I am so excited to be performing some of my favourite Disney songs for you. As a lot of you may know already, I have been the biggest fan of Disney since as long as I can remember. I looked up to the Disney princesses so much when I was younger. They were actually some of the biggest inspirations for my career, believe it or not. But yeah, I love Disney. I found it very difficult to pick just a few songs to perform for you today, but I hope that you love the ones I've chosen. I think these are my all-time favourites. If you have any questions throughout this concert, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. And also, if you enjoy this, please give this video a like. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. So one of my favorite all-time favorite movies from Disney is Enchanted. And I remember the first time it came out in the cinema, I went to see it and I was so excited, and I still enjoy watching it just as much now as I did then. And I had to include a song from the movie. So this first song I am going to sing, I want to dedicate to my little cousin Cara, who lives in New Jersey, who I haven't been able to see because of the pandemic, obviously, in over a year. And I really miss her, and I can't wait till she comes home to sing with me again. So yes, this is for you, Cara, and this is called Happy Working Song from the movie Enchanted. Please enjoy.
Come, my little friends, as we all sing a happy little working song. Merry little voices, clear and strong. Come and roll your sleeves up, so to speak, and pitch in. Cleaning crud up in the kitchen as we sing along. Trill a cheery tune in the tub as we scrub a stubborn mildew stain. Pluck a hairball from the shower drain to the gay refrain of a happy working song. We'll keep singing without fail, otherwise we'd spoil it. Hosing down the garbage pail and scrubbing up the toilet. Oh, how we all enjoy letting loose with a little la-da-dum-dum-dum. As we're emptying the vacuum, it's such fun to hum a happy working song. A happy working song. Oh, how strange a place to be till Edward comes for me. My heart is sighing still. As long as I am here, I guess the new experience could be worth trying. Hey, keep trying. You can do a lot when you have such a happy little tune to hum. Where we're sponging up the soapy scum, we adore each filthy chore that we determine. So friends, even though you're vermin, we're a happy working throng. Singing as we fetch the detergent box for the smelly shirts and the stinky socks. Sing along. If you cannot sing, then hum along as we're finishing our happy working song. Wasn't this fun?
Thank you very much. Coming up next, I have a song which I'm sure we can all relate to at the moment. It's called When Will My Life Begin? And I think we're all wondering the same, when is our lives going to start up again? Because of COVID, we've kind of had, our whole life has been put on pause, or a lot of us, our lives have been put on pause anyway. So I thought this is a good one to throw into the mix because it's very relatable at the moment. So this is When Will My Life Begin from the movie Tangled, and please enjoy.
Seven a.m. the usual morning lineup. Starting the chores and sweep till the floors are clean. Polish and wax, do laundry and mop and shine up. Sweep again, and by then it's like 7:15. So I'll read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few new paintings to my gallery. I'll play Then after lunch it's puzzles and darts and baking, paper mache, a bit of ballet and chess, pottery and ventriloquy, candle making. Then I'll stretch, maybe sketch, take a climb, sew a dress, and I'll reread the books if I have time to spare. I'll paint the walls some more, I'm sure there's room somewhere. And then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair, stuck in the same place I've always been. And I'll keep wondering and wondering and wondering and wondering, when will my life begin? Tomorrow night the lights will appear, just like they do on my birthday each year. What is it like out there where they glow? Now that I'm older, Mother might just let me go.
Thank you very much. I hope you loved that one also. This next song that I'm going to sing for you is from the movie Cinderella. It's an absolutely gorgeous song. Again, another favourite of mine. It's called A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes. And I want to dedicate this song to Charlotte Fitzpatrick. So if you're watching, Charlotte, I hope you enjoy this one. And I hope you all enjoy it as well.
A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heartaches. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. A dream is a wish your heart makes when you're fast asleep. In dreams you will lose your heartaches. Whatever you wish for, you keep. Have faith in your dreams, and someday your rainbow will come smiling through. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true.
Thank you so much. I hope you loved that one. Next up, I have a song that is probably my all-time favourite Disney song. It's from The Little Mermaid, and back in 2018 I had the pleasure of actually performing as Ariel in The Little Mermaid, and it was really cool. I'd love to do it again. I got to wear skates and everything while I was singing. It was really, really cool. But this is Part of Your World, and I hope you love it. Enjoy.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I wanna see 'em dancing, walking around on those, what do you call 'em? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down what's that word again? Oh, street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend the day warm on the sand? Bet you on land they understand, bet they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know. Ask my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it, what's the word, burn? When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore above? Out of the sea, wish I could be part of that world.
Thank you very much. I said I'd go all out with my last song because unfortunately we are at the end of my set today. But I have decided to dress up as Anna from Frozen for this last song. But before I sing it for you, I just want to give you a little reminder to follow my social media pages if you're interested. And also to thank you for watching my performance today. So this last song, you might be seeing duplicates, so keep your eyes peeled. But this is For the First Time in Forever from Frozen, and I really hope you enjoy it.
The window is open, so's that door. I didn't know they did that anymore. Who knew we owned 8,000 salad plates? For years I've roamed these empty halls. Why have a ballroom with no balls? Finally they're opening up the gates. There'll be actual real life people. It'll be totally strange. Wow, am I so ready for this change? 'Cause for the first time in forever, there'll be music, there'll be light. For the first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night. Don't know if I'm elated or gassy, but I'm somewhere in that zone. 'Cause for the first time in forever, I won't be alone. I can't wait to meet everyone. What if I meet the one? Tonight imagine me gown and all, fetchingly draped against the wall, a picture of sophisticated grace. Ooh, I suddenly see him standing there, a beautiful stranger, tall and fair. I wanna stuff some chocolate in my face, but then we laugh and talk all evening, which is totally bizarre. Nothing like the life I've led so far. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be fun. we might find romance, but for the first time in forever, at least I've got a chance. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, put on a show. Make one wrong move and everyone will know. But it's only for today. It's only for today. It's agony to wait. Tell the guards to open up the gate. The gates. For the first time in forever, I'm getting what I'm dreaming of. Be the good girl you always have to be. A chance to change my lonely world. Conceal. A chance to find true love. Conceal, don't feel alone. And I know it all ends tomorrow, so it has to be today. 'Cause for the first time in forever, for the first time in forever, nothing's in my way.
Thank you all so much again for watching. I hope I see you soon, and I really hope you enjoyed that. Bye.